Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Instant Pot macaroni and cheese. Hey, Chef Kate here, and you guys have got to try this mac and cheese recipe. It tastes amazing and it's almost as easy as making it from the box. Plus, because I love you guys, well, most of you know who you are, I want to show you guys 2 bonus variations that are going to knock your socks off. To start off, get your pressure cooker out and put it on your counter. Add in 16 ounces of macaroni noodles, or any other shape that your heart desires. Then add 4 cups of chicken broth. Use low sodium chicken broth if you prefer. Add in 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and give it a good stir until that black pepper and mustard is well dispersed. I promise you won't even know that mustard's in there, but what it does is it gives it a nice tang and balances out the flavors. Place the lid on and make sure that it is secure. Then we're going to put it on high pressure for 5 minutes. While that is cooking, we're going to grate 3 cups of cheddar cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese because I want that classic macaroni and cheese flavor, but feel free to use whatever you like Gouda or pepper jack would be awesome. Once your pressure cooker is done cooking, carefully release the pressure valve. Then carefully remove the lid, and then add in 3 cups of cheese. Then add in half a cup of heavy cream or half and half. Use heavy cream if you want a richer sauce, and use half and half if you want to cut down on those calories. Stir this all together until that cheese has melted and it becomes nice and creamy. At this point, if you want your sauce a little less thick, feel free to add another 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then that's it! You guys, that was so simple and you are ready to eat. But wait, there's more! But I'm also going to show you how to make my famous Chipotle mac and green chili mac. For the Chipotle mac, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of Chipotle sauce. Then make your mac and cheese just like you did before, adding in your noodles, chicken broth, mustard, and black pepper. Then cook it for the same amount of time. Add in the cheese and add in the cream. While that may seem like a small ingredient change, that Chipotle adds amazing flavor to those noodles. To make the green chili mac, it's just as simple. You add the noodles, the chicken broth, the mustard, and the black pepper. Then 1 16-ounce jar of green chili salsa to the mixture. Give it a stir and cook it just like before for 5 minutes. Then once that's done cooking, you're going to add 3 cups of pepper jack cheese and no cream. This green chili mac is so good. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. And be sure to check out the website, thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.